how to add startup apps on MacBook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to add your favorite apps and then make sure that it opens automatically when you start your MacBook? Then do not worry. In this video, I'll show you how to add startup apps on macOS in just few simple steps. Let's dive right in. Open up your settings and then you need to head over to the General tab. There, scroll down and you will see login items and extensions. Just tap on it and then you can see open at login item. So you can see plus minus there. You will need to tap on the plus and then you need to head over to applications, and here you can see all of the applications. So choose the application that you want to open at startup. So you can just tap on the application of your choice and then just hit open. Now, uh, it's a great way to save time. Whenever you open your Mac, this app will open automatically. So, if this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.